If you've been looking for Twitter Circle on X, here's the important update right away. Twitter Circle has officially been discontinued, so if you're trying to open x.com Twitter Circle, create a new Circle post, or add new people to your Circle list, that feature is no longer available. In this video, I'll show you what that means, what you can do instead, and how to control who sees your posts using the options that X still provides. If this kind of tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, if you were expecting to find a Twitter Circle button inside X, you're not doing anything wrong. The feature has been removed by X, which means there is no official way to create new Circle posts anymore. That also means you can't add new members to a Circle list the way you could before. So what can you do instead? The best replacement if you want private posting is to protect your account. When you protect your account, only approved followers can see your posts. That's the closest option now if you want tighter control over your audience. Let me walk you through how to do that on web or PC. Start by going to X and logging into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand side menu and click More. From there, open Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account controls live, including privacy settings. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Then select Audience and Tagging. Inside this menu, you'll see the option to protect your posts. Turn that on by checking the box. Once that setting is enabled, your future posts will only be visible to approved followers. New people won't be able to just view your content unless you accept them first. So if your goal was to use Twitter Circle for a smaller audience, this is the most practical replacement. Now, if you were hoping to manage an old circle, there is still one thing you can do. Even though you cannot create new Circle posts, you may still be able to remove people from your old Circle setup by unfollowing them. To do that, go back to X and log in. Then, search for the username of the person you want to remove. Open their profile and click the following button. From the menu that appears, choose Unfollow. Once you do that, they'll no longer be included the way they were before. Just keep in mind, this is not a full Circle management feature anymore. It's simply one of the remaining ways to adjust who follows you and who can see your content. If your goal is to share content with a specific group of people, you may also want to look at communities. Communities can be useful if you want a more focused audience around a topic, interest, or niche. Another option is using DM group chats if you want to keep conversations private and direct. So to summarize, you cannot open or use Twitter Circle on x.com the way you used to because the feature is gone, but you can still protect your account, use communities, or rely on group chats depending on what you need. If this video helped clear things up, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick X tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.